In this video, we'll dive into Tesla's unwavering commitment to safety, their groundbreaking developments in crash testing, and their innovative approach to designing some of the safest cars on the road. We'll also explore the shift in Tesla's focus to their new headquarters in Austin, Texas, and the construction of a state-of-the-art crash test lab. Plus, we'll uncover Tesla's efforts to secure a stable supply of raw materials, particularly lithium, through the construction of a massive lithium refinery. And of course, we can't forget the highly anticipated Cybertruck as we delve into recent updates, sightings, and accessory developments. We'll also touch on the latest news surrounding Tesla's full self-driving beta, version 12 expectations, and the possibility of a free trial. Stay tuned till the end because we will lay down the latest Tesla stock predictions too. Welcome to Prima Invest, where we will give you information relating to all things investing. Let's get to the video. Tesla's commitment to safety is evident through continuous improvements in software updates, crash prevention systems, and exceptional performance in independent crash tests. Their focus on safety extends beyond traditional crash testing, as they gather data from their vast vehicle fleet to engineer some of the safest cars on the road. This data allows Tesla to design their vehicles for real-world scenarios, optimizing seat positions, steering wheel positions, and airbag deployment for optimal safety. So far, these efforts have been carried out at Tesla's main factory in Fremont, California. However, recent developments indicate a shift in Tesla's focus to their new headquarters in Austin, Texas. Alongside the construction of the Giga Texas factory, Tesla is also building a new crash test lab. A LinkedIn post by a Tesla recruiter revealed the company's plans to hire engineering technicians for a passive safety crash test lab, responsible for executing, analyzing, and reporting on crash and sled tests. The purpose of this new lab is yet to be fully disclosed, but it is speculated that it will facilitate the testing and development of Tesla's upcoming vehicles, including the 4680 Model Y and the highly anticipated Cybertruck. This proximity between vehicle production and testing eliminates the need to transport vehicles across the country, streamlining the development process. In addition to their focus on safety, Tesla is making significant strides in securing a stable supply of raw materials, particularly lithium, recognizing the need for raw materials to scale up production. Tesla had a groundbreaking ceremony for their lithium refinery in Corpus Christi, Texas. This refinery is expected to be one of the largest in the world, capable of producing lithium for approximately 1 million vehicles. Tesla aims to utilize innovative processes that allow for the reuse of byproducts in construction, resulting in improved efficiency and reduced costs. The refinery's strategic location offers access to talent, close proximity to Tesla's headquarters in Austin, and convenient access to ports, ensuring an efficient and environmentally friendly refining process. These developments highlight Tesla's determination to strengthen various aspects of its operations. By expanding their crash testing capabilities, optimizing their battery supply chain, and striving for continuous improvements in safety, Tesla is solidifying its position as a leading innovator in the electric vehicle industry. Will this increase driver confidence in Tesla cars? Let me know in the comments below. The highly anticipated Cybertruck from Tesla has been generating buzz with recent updates and sightings. A prototype of the Cybertruck Alpha was spotted on Tesla's test track in Fremont, California, indicating ongoing testing and development. Notably, the large windshield wiper on the truck has been captured in a photo, suggesting its inclusion in the final design. While some have poked fun at its size, its effectiveness is what truly matters. Changes have also been observed in the placement of the daytime running lamps, now situated between the front trunk and the front bumper. This alteration may be a result of the modified front trunk design, which now opens similar to the Ford F-150 Lightning. Compliance with regulations regarding the visibility of running lamps from 180 degrees seems to have influenced this change, possibly confirming the final design of the Megafrunk. A video of the Cybertruck conducting laps on the test track reveals the unchanged side mirrors, which are legally required but designed for easy removals by owners. However, it remains to be seen if this feature will persist in the production version of the truck. inside the Cybertruck. Glimpses of the interior were captured during the groundbreaking ceremony for Tesla's Corpus Christi Lithium Refinery. The displayed interior showcased two front seats, an updated rounded-off yoke steering wheel, a large center touchscreen, and updated paneling. Production is expected to closely resemble this interior design. Tesla's focus on the Cybertruck also extends to accessory development, with plans for various accessories targeting different customer personas, such as off-roading, camping, and Baja racing. Although Elon Musk emphasized the importance of third-party hardware and mounting points for customization, Tesla is exploring the creation of its own accessories, demonstrating the truck's versatility and potential utility. Regarding production, Tesla has reportedly secured a significant order of interior parts for the Cybertruck worth hundreds of millions of dollars. These developments indicate that Tesla's Cybertruck production program is poised to have a substantial impact on the electric vehicle industry and the pickup truck market. Tesla has shared images of a revolutionary production line, signaling that production is nearing. An interior automotive parts manufacturer from Korea has confirmed a large order from Tesla, specifically for the A, B, and C pillars of the Cybertruck. The contract extends until 2028, with anticipated sales reaching approximately $230 million. While the start of Cybertruck production is slated for this summer, volume production is not expected until 2024. Meanwhile, there have been amusing parodies of the Cybertruck, such as the Cybertruck, a plywood-bodied creation based on a stripped 2001 Acura MDX. While it has been sold, those interested may consider constructing their own rendition. The anticipation for the Cybertruck's arrival continues to grow among enthusiasts eagerly awaiting its release. If you enjoy this type of content, do give us a like and subscribe. There are some updates regarding their full self-driving or FSD beta and package. While the software continues to improve, there are still some drawbacks such as the high price and the need for constant driver supervision. The latest version being pushed to Tesla employees is 11.4.1. But Elon Musk has hinted at the significant improvements expected in version 12, which he believes should be called version 11.4, due to the major enhancements. Musk also mentioned the possibility of a free 1-month trial of FSD once it becomes super smooth and safe, starting in North America and expanding globally after local road testing and regulatory approval. Elon emphasized the priority of safety over smoothness, stating that Tesla aims to achieve a higher level of safety before polishing the user experience. He acknowledged that awareness of FSD's capabilities among Tesla owners is surprisingly low, possibly due to the package's high price and Elon's previous promises of full autonomy. However, he noted that Tesla is making significant improvements to the system. The arrival of version 12, its improvements, and the potential free trial will be eagerly anticipated. Moving on to other automakers, Ford's recent business numbers for electric vehicles highlight the challenges they face. Their EV margin is currently negative 40%, but they aim to improve it to negative 20%. In comparison, Tesla's EV margin stands at 11.4%. Elon Musk expressed support for Ford's overall strategy with EVs, particularly praising the high demand for the electric F-150 Lightning. Ford plans to reopen orders for the F-150 Lightning, offering a range of trims including the XLT, Lariat, and Platinum, with the base model being eliminated. They also mentioned the possibility of introducing an electric Explorer in the US, following its success in the European market. As the future unfolds, many are curious to see when version 12 of Tesla's FSD will arrive, how it will enhance the driving experience, and whether the proposed free trial will become a reality. Meanwhile, Ford aims to overcome challenges and improve its EV margins, with the electric F-150 Lightning generating significant demand. The introduction of an electric Explorer in the US market could also be on the horizon, building on Ford's success in the SUV segment. Now let's get over the stock price. The future of Tesla's stock price is a topic of debate among various sources. a group of stock analysts predicts an average 12-month stock price forecast of $201.49, indicating a 9.95% increase. However, some experts are more optimistic, forecasting a 30% increase in the stock price over the next 6 to 12 months, with a target price of $260. On the other hand, a panel of notable experts expects Tesla's stock price to reach an average target of $191 by 2024, suggesting a potential upside of approximately 10.12%. Looking at short-term price targets from 23 analysts, the average target for Tesla stands at $212.28, reflecting a significant 22.76% increase from the last closing price. Overall, analyst consensus price target of $221.39 indicates a forecasted upside of 20.8% from the current price. The range of forecasts demonstrates the varying perspectives on Tesla's stock performance in the future, but all of them predict an upward trend for the stock price in the near future. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, click the link shown on screen. Remember to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, have a good one.